I, Uma Agrawal, welcome you again all to the online lecture series organized by Gokhale Education Societies, BYK College of Commerce. In the last lecture, we had dealt with partnership final account, trial balance, trading, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. In this lecture, we would be going through the adjustments to be made in preparing final accounts. Investment with participation of two or more persons with the object of carrying on a business to earn profit in partnership. The common intention being to carry out business, then investment, stock, loan, sale, and other aspects of business would be involved. So, the day-to-day activities needs to be recorded in a systematic manner to ascertain assets, liabilities, profit or loss, etc. And this systematic recording is termed as partnership final accounts. In systematic recording, the business activities as final account in the earlier lecture. We have learned about preparation of trial balance, trading, profit and loss account, balance sheet, and final accounts. The respective entries to be taken in debit and credit side. Today, we would be dealing with the adjustments to be made in balancing the accounts. This slide reflects the different adjustments which are essential as adverting to closing stock, its first effect is given in the balance sheet asset side and second effect is given in trading account credit side. Likewise, outstanding expenses first effect is added to the particular expense on the debit side of trading profit and loss account, and second effect is shown in the balance sheet liability side. The prepaid expenses are first deducted from the particular expenses on the debit side of trading and profit and loss account, and second effect is given in the asset side. Income received in advance or pre-received income. First effect is deduct from the particular income on the credit side of profit and loss account, and second effect is balance sheet liability side. Income receivable. First effect is add to the particular income on the credit side of profit and loss account, and second effect is on balance sheet asset side. Bad debts. This is also stated as additional or new bad debts. Its first effect is shown on the debit side of profit and loss account and added to old bad debts if any. Second effect is deducted from the debtors in balance sheet asset side. Next adjustment is RDD, means reserve for doubtful debts. It is also known as new RDD. Its first effect is shown on debit side of profit and loss account. Sometimes RDD is shown in credit side of trial balance. This is old RDD. If new RDD is more, then the adjustments RDD, then old RDD or trial balance RDD, then it is shown on the debit side of profit and loss account as new minus old. Second effect of new RDD would be deduction from debtors in balance sheet asset side. Reserve for discount on debtors. This entry is occasional. Its first effect is shown on profit and loss account debit side or is added to discount allowed. Second effect is deduction from debtors on balance sheet asset side. Depreciation is reduction. Depreciation is reduction in the value of assets like vehicles, furniture, machinery, etc. Its first effect is taken on debit side of profit and loss account, and second effect is deduction from particular asset in balance sheet asset side. Interest on capital. First effect is shown on debit side of profit and loss account, and second effect is shown on partners capital or current account credit side or add to capital or current account. In some occasion, partners capital or current account is not shown separately. It is directly reflected on liability side of balance sheet. If fixed capital method is specified in the problem asked, then it is necessary that partners current account must be prepared separately. Interest on drawing. It is always the income of the firm. Its first effect is shown on debit side of partners capital account or current account or deducted from partners capital or current account. Second effect is shown in credit side of profit and loss account. Interest on loan taken. This is always the loss of revenue of the firm, and first effect is shown on debit side of profit and loss account. Second effect is to be added in the loan amount in the balance sheet liability side. Interest on investment and on loan given. Loan given. On both these concepts, revenue is earned by the firm. So its first effect is given in credit side of profit and loss account, and Second effect is shown in balance sheet asset side. Insured goods destroyed by fire or accident, etc. This happening in is, if at all, is accounted three effects. First effect, which is gross amount. See, gross amount of insured goods is shown on credit side of trading account. Second effect is claim amount settled by the insurance company is shown in the balance sheet asset side, and the difference between the gross amount and the claim settled amount being loss of the firm is shown in debit side of profit and loss amount. Uninsured goods destroyed by fire or accident. This is always the loss of the firm. First effect is shown on debit side of profit and loss account, and second effect is shown on credit side of trading account. Goods stolen. This is also the loss for the firm. First effect is given in the debit side of profit and loss account, and second effect show to the credit side of trading account. Goods distributed as free samples. From this also no revenue is earned. So first effect is shown on debit side of profit and loss account, and add the item of advertisement, if any, shown in the trial balance. Second effect is shown in credit side of trading account. Goods withdrawn by partners for personal use. First effect is shown on credit side of trading account or deducted from purchases. Second effect is shown in partners capital or current account debit side. Unrecorded purchases. Its first effect is added to purchases on the debit side of trading account, and second effect is added to creditors on the liability side of balance sheet. Unrecorded sales. First effect is addition to sales on credit side of trading account, and second effect is added to debtors on asset side of balance sheet. Capital expenditure included in revenue expenditure. If an error or mistakes, some capital expenditure are included in revenue expenditure, then its first effect is taken as deduction from that particular revenue expenditure and shown on debit side of trading or profit or loss account. Second effect is shown on addition to that particular asset in balance sheet asset side. Similarly, if by mistake or error revenue expenditure is included in capital expenditure, then its first effect is taken as addition to that particular revenue expenditure, and second effect is deduction from that particular asset in balance sheet asset side. Next adjustment, bills receivable dishonored. First effect is adding the amount of bill dishonored to debtors and in balance sheet asset side, and second effect is deducting the amount of from bills receivable. Likewise, adjustment of bills payable dishonored. First effect is adding the amount to creditors in balance sheet liability side, and second effect is deducting the amount of bill from bills payable balance sheet liability side. Further adjustments is deferred expenses of advertisement paid for 5 years. But practically, final account is prepared of only one financial year. So first effect is taken relating to current financial year as advertisement expenses debited to profit and loss account, and second effect of remaining amount on advertisement is shown on asset side of balance sheet as prepaid expenses. If on mistake revenue receipts are included in capital receipts, that is sale of goods included in sale of furniture, first effect would be addition the amount to sales on credit side of trading account, and second effect would be deduction of the amount from the furniture on the asset side of balance sheet. The last adjustment would be commission to partners as percentage of gross profit or sales. First effect is shown to the debit side of profit and loss account, and second effect is shown to the credit side of partners capital or current account, or add to partners capital or current account. So these all are the adjustments and its two effects. Adverting to hidden adjustments means undisclosed adjustments which are normally reflected in trial balance, giving particular item with the definite date of it, such as salaries or rent paid for 10 months. First effect is to add the amount of salary or rent for 2 months to the debit side of profit and loss account, and second effect is shown separately as outstanding expense on the liability side of balance sheet. Next is insurance premium paid for 1 year ending 30th June 2019 and accounting year ends on 31st March 2019 every year. So, first effect is shown as deduction of proportionate amount of insurance premium for 3 months. Why it is 3 months? Because year end is of 31st March every year and insurance premium paid for up to 30th June. So for 3 months insurance premium under the head of prepaid insurance on the debit side of profit and loss account, and second effect is shown separately as the amount of prepaid insurance on the asset side of balance sheet. Advertisement expenses for 4 years. First effect is shown on debit side of profit and loss account as 1/4 or 1 year advertisement expenses amount, and second effect is shown as the remaining 3 years advertisement expenses amount or 3/4 of the advertisement expenses amount on the asset side of the balance sheet. Next hidden adjustment, rent received for 11 months. First effect shall be taken as addition of the proportionate amount of rent for 1 month to rent received on credit side of profit and loss account. And second effect shall be shown as the same amount on the asset side of balance sheet. 16% investment which is purchased on 1st January 2019 and accounting year ends on 31st March 2019. First effect is shown as the amount of interest receivable on investment for 3 months on the credit side of profit and loss account. This amount receivable is always the income to the firm. Its second effect is to add the amount of interest receivable on the receivable on investment to the asset side of balance sheet. The last hidden adjustment is 10% government bonds. It is always the earnings of the firm. Its first effect is shown on the credit side of profit and loss account as interest receivable, and second effect is shown as addition of the amount of interest receivable to government bonds on the asset side of balance sheet or show separately in balance sheet. These are the hidden adjustments which are mentioned in the trial balance. With this, we conclude the topic. I am confident that we all have gained how adjustments and hidden adjustments are to be recorded while preparing final accounts. Thanking you with an assurance of gathering again very soon on the digital platform for the next topic. Thank you.